Hello, all my besties. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can upload your videos and schedule them to TikTok. Scheduling content on social media is very important because it allows the algorithm to pick you up as a consistent content creator. So what I do is I create content and I schedule it to be posted to go out on social media on certain days. I normally tend to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So the algorithm has picked me up as a consistent content creator and it pushes my videos out more. So this is how you can upload them to TikTok and actually put them on a schedule. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is, let me close this out because I want to make sure you guys go through the full steps. You want to head over to your TikTok page. Okay. So once your TikTok page come up, you're going to want to hit upload. Upload is going to be right here on the sidebar. So I'm going to go ahead and hit upload. Once you hit upload, you're going to come to this screen where you're going to select the video. Now, what you're going to want to do is if you created your video in Canva or wherever you created your video, you want to go ahead and you want to download it. Okay. So I tend to download my videos as an MP4 because I always make them into like a mini video. If you ever get stuck with trying to come up with content, all you have to do is come over here to design and type in TikTok videos, and Canva have a bunch of templates that you can edit and use. I tend to use this one a lot, especially when I'm doing showcasing some of my illustrations. But TikTok, I mean, YouTube. Canva has a lot of templates that you can use. Now, if you just displaying a single picture of an illustration or something like that, make sure like on this video that it say coming soon, make sure you have something moving in the background because on TikTok tend to like videos that have movement in it. So keep that in mind. So once the video has downloaded, then you're going to come back over here to TikTok and you're going to hit select video and you're going to select the video that you just download and you're going to hit open. Okay, so as you can see, my video has come up on the side, and it's playing. It actually have voice out. I got I have it muted, but at the end, I will unmute it and take my headphones off so y'all can hear exactly what it's saying. Okay, so now it's time to fill in all the information, your description, your hashtags, and things like that. So that's where you want to come in, and you want to head over here to ChatGPT. Okay, let me open up ChatGPT. I might have had it open right. Yeah, I had it open right there. I thought that was this little symbol. So I have ChatGPT open right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to Canva and I'm gonna do a screenshot of the cover of my video that I'm doing for TikTok, and I'm gonna let ChatGPT do the rest of the work for me. So now that I copied it, I'm gonna head over here to ChatGPT. I'm gonna pop in just a picture of my video and I'm gonna type in, can you please act as a TikTok expert and create me a description and hashtags for this post, period. Please include SEO keywords so that this video can go viral. Okay. I always put that in there too. So you're going to hit the go button and ChatGPT is going to take a look at your picture and it's going to actually tell me here's a TikTok description and hashtag strategy to help your video viral. Okay, so it gave me my description and it gave me my hashtags, and it also told me the hashtags includes high traffic SEO keywords that align with your target audience. And my target audience, because I use ChatGPT a lot, is entrepreneurs, side hustle, and digital product creators. Okay, so it's going to help them to maximize and reach those my target audience. Okay. So make sure you're talking to your ChatGPT a lot so it can pick up on your habits, or program your ChatGPT so it'll know you. Okay. So I am going to go ahead and copy all of this. Control copy. I'm going to head back over here to TikTok and I'm going to go ahead and hit Control V. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab my hashtags. And then I'm gonna put my hashtags in. Make sure you read it before you hit the go button because sometimes ChatGPT add other stuff in there. Like I made a mistake and picked up something. I picked up something that was in there. But I just took it off. Okay. So let me make sure hustle smart, not hard, build passive income with digital products and let your creativity make the money while you sleep. Shop side hustle queen creation. Start your journey. Digital hustle, digital side hustle queen tag all my hashtags is correct. Okay, so now it done gave me my hashtags. It's showing me the cover of my picture. And so I'm gonna go ahead and edit my cover. And I want it uh right here. Continue. Okay, so that's what it looks like if it's when you looking at when somebody just looking at your all your videos when they're strolling through your videos. I wish it was a way on a computer that you could actually, you know what? I'm gonna on the next one, I'm gonna try to upload just a cover so I can have some words on it. But I just wanted to adjust it so that it'll get my tiger in there, hit confirm. Okay, so now I tend to select the location. I always put the United States. I'm not putting this on the playlist. This is not anything that's in my TikTok shop, so I cannot add a link. You can go ahead and hit schedule. Okay, so I need a post for today, so I'm gonna schedule it for today. You can schedule it for whatever time you want it to come out. I'm gonna have this one come out today at 11 o'clock. 11 a.m., I believe. Okay, 11. And of course, this is where you select your day. I'm gonna have it come out today. Let me make sure that's a.m. I think it's in military. Yeah, it's in military time. So this one right here will be coming out today at 11 a.m. Let me check my schedule list right quick to see what time is the best time to post on Mondays. Mondays it says 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 10 p.m., and then I have another one that say 1 a.m., 3 to 6, and 7 p.m. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have this one to come out tonight at 7 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m. All right, so this one will come out today at 7 p.m. Everyone will be able to see it. If you want to go more into the advanced, this is where you want to make sure all the contents that if somebody want to do at yours or stitch it, they can. If you don't want them to do any of that, then make sure you can check off. I always leave these on, especially the comment. I'm going to click on the disclosure content because I am promoting my brand, which is I'm telling people to grab digital products from my store, AI generated content, add this label for I never have added the AI generated content, so I'm just gonna leave that on. Well, I'm gonna click it on for this time because my title. Okay, creators should label content that completes AI generated or significant edit on it. Labels help others know the difference between okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for this video. I'm gonna see how it does. I'm just making sure that we go over everything so you'll know everything that's on inside of TikTok when you are uploading from your computer so that you can schedule a post. Okay, so I just cut that on because most of that is something that was generated on AI. Okay, so the next thing I like to do is I like to schedule a copyright check. I go ahead and let it run the copyright check to make sure that it's okay. So while it's checking my content, which is it's already checked, and that was a quick minute, it says no issues detected. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here. Now my video already have a voice to text to it. But if you have a video with no voice to text already, then you can come right here and you can hit edit. And this is where you can add sound. Okay, so if you want to add sound to your video, you just hit the little sound icon. Okay, it tends to already have music right here. But if you notice, like if you want to do some um let me some Levert music in the back. You just type in Levert song, love songs, and then they'll come up and you can choose the one that you want. Okay, let me unplug my headphones so you guys can hear the sound. Okay, and if you want to use that sound, then you come right here and you hit use. Okay, and that's how you add music to your videos. Oh, Let me go ahead and hit the cancel because like I said, mine already have a voice to text. So let me play that for you guys so you can hear it.
And let digital products work for you. Hustle smarter. Shop side Hustle Queen Creations and let digital products work for you.
Okay, and that is my video. So, so all I have to do at this point is I can just head down here and I can go ahead and schedule my post. So I'm going to hit schedule because I have checked all the buttons and did everything. And as you can see, my video is right here. Um, And it's sometimes it do like it'll have like a little pause. I guess it's checking it again. But as you can see that this video now will post on March 12th at 7 p.m. for everyone to see. Okay, so now you can go ahead and post multiple content and have it scheduled to go out on certain days and certain times. And that's how you can train the algorithm to know that you are a consistent content creator, and also it'll take off the heavy load off of you trying to make sure that you post every single day by and making sure that you're doing scheduled content. I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know if you need anything else from me, and I will be so happy to help. Thank you guys again for watching another one of my videos, and I will see you on the next one.